What's up, everyone? My name is Augman. I am a Salesforce consultant for Solved, and today we're going to be talking about how Agentforce can enhance the accuracy of pricing and configurations in your CPQ. The first thing I want to talk about is pricing. So there's nothing worse than updating pricing of products every month or every couple months, going into all the price book entries and manually updating those or doing data loader. You're worried about possible errors or if you've caught every product and if that's a competitive price to use. Well, Agentforce is so cool because it can go and it can analyze customer history and market conditions and then set the pricing of your products dynamically, meaning it's going to change over time and it's going to be something that you're not going to have to worry about. It's going to get rid of that human error. This is probably my favorite thing that Agentforce can do is it can look at your bundle structure or your products, and then it can suggest how they should be set up, and then it can also suggest and implement rules that can be created. So you got price rules, product rules, option constraints. Let's say product A can't be ordered unless product B is ordered, or if product F is ordered, there has to be at least 30 quantity of product Y. Well, Agentforce can go in, it can create those rules, configure them to the correct bundles, and set it up so that you don't have to. All right, predictive and analytics. So in my opinion, AI is going to be better at predicting things than humans, and Agentforce is one of those things. It can predict customer behavior and price sensitivities. So let's say you have a quote that has product X, and every time that product X is on a quote, it's able to say, this is a point that users tend to not like. So let's remove product X or drop the price of it and see what we can do in getting our sales deals to close more. This kind of goes on with the next slide as well, which is informing strategies with historical data. So AI is able to look at data throughout your entire Salesforce org, but specifically in CPQ, it's able to look at historical sales, and it's going to identify patterns and trends of all of your opportunities, your contracts, your quotes, and it's going to let your sales users know, hey, these are the places that could use improvement. This is when deals tend to work. This is when deals tend to not work. It's able to create a higher efficiency of your sales users because they know the things that they need to adjust on. All right, automated discount calculations. So Agentforce is going to be able to go and create these discounts for you. So there's a lot of times in orgs I've worked in where they have partner companies that get 10% off. Or if you've ordered 50 of product X, then we're going to give you another 5% off moving forward. Well, instead of having to go and manually do all of those things, Agentforce can go and do that for you. They can even set up an approval process to make it so, hey, if this discount's going to be greater than $1,000, it's got to get sent to my manager, and then he can click approval on that. And so Agentforce can set all of those things up. And then the great thing about this is that if down the road, let's say you want to give a bigger discount to your partners, let's go 25%. You can just tell Agentforce, we need to update these specific automations, and Agentforce can go and do that for you. So all in all, the advantages of Agentforce with your CPQ is that you're going to have a faster quoting process. It's going to reduce that human error. It's going to make it so that your sales users are going to be more efficient. They're going to be able to get more deals through the pipeline. Your customer experience is going to be great because they're going to know that the error has gone down. They're going to be confident that your pricing is competitive. And all in all, it's going to be able to increase the revenue potential of your company. So if there's any questions you have about Agentforce or implementing Agentforce with your CPQ, reach out to Solved and we can help you out.